Okay, so adding similar fraction. So, meron tayong dalawang um, tawag dito, types of fraction. So, types nga ba ang tawag? So, meron tayong similar fraction and dissimilar fraction. So, magfo-focus muna tayo kay similar fraction. So, similar fraction is if the denominator is magkapareho. So, mapapansin nyo, meron tayo ditong, sa example number 1, meron tayo ditong denominator na 9 which is magkapareho. Sa example number 2 is 8 and magkapareho also. So, that is a similar fraction. So, now, how to add similar fraction? So to add similar fraction, simply add the numerators only. So yung numerator lang yung ating i-add, and then we will copy the denominator and express the answer into lowest term. So para mas maintindihan natin, papakita ko yung solving. So for example, sa example number 1, we have here 4 over 9 plus 2 over 9. So if we add the numerator, so 4 plus 2, we have here 6. And then simply copy the denominator. So meron na tayong answer or partial answer na 6 over 9. So take note that this is a similar fraction. So sa similar fraction lang to ha. So 6 over 9. And then the last step is express the answer into lowest term. So if we lowest term or i-express natin siya into lowest term, hahanapin natin yung greatest common factor niya. So to express the fraction into lowest term, so we will find the GCF of the numerator and the denominator, and then divide the numerator and denominator by their GCF. So madali lang naman mahanap or ma-identify yung GCF niya, since parang gagamit, mag-iisip na lang din tayo ng pwedeng i-divide sa kanya, both numerator and denominator. So 6 and 9, so pwede siyang ma-divide into number 3. So therefore, if ilo-lowest term natin siya, so i-divide lang natin siya, so cancel. So 6 divide 3, so by 3, di ba? Yan. So 6 divide 3, we have here 2. And then 9 divide 3, we have here 3. So therefore, 2/3 is our final answer. So mapapansin nyo si 2/3 is hindi na siya pwedeng ma-lowest term, since 2 and 3 have no common factor. So yun lang. So example number 1. Now, another example number 2. So try natin tong answeran si example number 2. Okay, so we have here 2 plus 4. So 2 plus 4 is equals to 6. And then copy the denominator. So yan yung ating first step. And then express the answer into lowest term. So hanapin natin yung si GCF and then i-divide natin. So or magti-think lang tayo or mag-iisip tayo ng pwedeng ma-divide sa dalawa or sa numerator and denominator. So 6 and 8, the common factor of this number is number 2. So kapag divide natin siya by 2's, so 6 divide 2 is 3. And then 8 divide 2, we have here 4. So wala na siyang pwedeng i-divide, therefore this is our final answer. So yan, madali lang siya. Now, another example. So meron naman tayo dito isa pang example. So pwede kasing maraming cases yung pwedeng ma-encounter regarding infraction. So for example, ito naman yung case na ma-encounter nyo. So similar fraction pa rin siya. And then ito papakita ko. So 3 plus 2, we have here 5, and then plus 1, so is equals to 6. And then copy the denominator, which is 6. So mapapansin nyo, 6 over 6. Now, how to reduce 6 over 6, or paano natin siya malo-lowest term? So simply, ito lang, take note, if the numerator and denominator is the same number, so automatic, that is a 1 whole, or the equivalent of the number, or the fraction rather, is 1. So automatic, 1 whole. So tandaan nyo yan. So another case. So what if ito naman yung na-encounter natin? Example number 4. So 2 plus 1, we have 3. And 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. So meron tayong 7 over 3. Okay. So sa slide share, meron ako dong in-upload. Kung mababasa nyo, this case is called improper fraction, where the numerator is greater than denominator. So, to reduce the improper fraction, paano nga ba siya ma-reduce into lowest term? So, simply divide the fraction. So, kung i-divide natin siya, so 7 divide by 3. So, tandaan nyo tong concept na to ha. So, 7 divide 3, we have here 2. 3 times 2, we have here 6. Minus, then remainder 1. Okay, so take note that this quotient is the whole number. So, yan na lang. Then, the remainder is our numerator. And then, the divisor is the denominator. So, yan. Shortcut na lang. Okay. So, therefore, itong si 7 over 3, kapag nireduce natin siya into lowest term, ang magiging sagot natin is 2 and 1/3. So, tandaan, the quotient is the whole number, the numerator is the remainder, and then the denominator is the divisor. So, yan lang yung tatandaan nyo. So, that is similar fraction. So, adding similar fraction.